within 30 days, I had booked a $20,000 client out of LinkedIn. Not bad. What gets even better? That was 3 months ago. Since then, I booked another $27,000 in business by using just some of Dave's strategies in his course.
This course, having looked through it and used it, we found it extremely useful and it's helped our business. Also, in Dave's package, he shows and looks at and reviews third-party apps, most of which I haven't heard of. And starting to look at those and use some of the free ones, especially the browser ones, they help to really target and enhance the use of LinkedIn. So that alone is worth the price of the course. If you are serious about LinkedIn, this is the only course, in my opinion, that's worth getting.
But this really takes you into the next layers deep and down, that will really help you. And if you do this kind of work for your clients, it's going to help them tremendously.
I've been on LinkedIn since 2007, and Dave's material has really opened my eyes to everything I've been missing. So there's lots and lots of solid advice. It's strategically delivered. It's put together at the highest standard, and there's nothing left out. Dave Newton's Leveraging LinkedIn is a sound, practical, value-driven solution to everything you need.
I've been going through Dave Newton's course on how to use LinkedIn to gain more clients. And it's a very, very well put together course. And I've been through a few in the past. But what Dave's done differently is to really build you up module by module. So you start with the basics, you start with the fundamentals of how to approach LinkedIn. Then you build your profile based on that, who you want to attract, and then build your profile to match those prospects. And the result is that people come to you rather than you having to go and chase people around. So if you use Dave's course and apply it to your profile and apply it to your methodology in using LinkedIn, then I think you'll get some really good results.
You can tell right away the style of this product is quality, first class all the way. He's chunked it in a way that it's easy to use and easy to implement. I'm really happy to recommend this product to you. I'm recommending it to all my clients, and I'm using it myself. So I couldn't endorse it more strongly than that. So buy your copy today and put it into action.
What Dave really offers is a wealth and a trove of strategies that allows anyone who's in business to use LinkedIn in a very precise and a very structured, and most importantly, in a very effective manner.
It's going to be great for your business. So I encourage you, spend as much time in there as you need to. Go out there and leverage LinkedIn, because your business will grow, your contacts will grow, your email list will grow, and if you're doing this for your clients, they will thank you for it every single day.
I'm probably switching 80%, away from Facebook into LinkedIn for business. And if that's you, if you want to excel there, if you want to make money there, if you want to build contacts there, get Dave Newton's course. You will